Hello, little friends. Are you ready for a perfect adventure with our furry friend Whiskers the cat? Today, we're going to join Whiskers on an exciting journey filled with fun and surprises. Let's dive right in. Look over there. It's Whiskers the cat. Whiskers is a fluffy and playful kitty with a nose for adventure. Just wait until you see what Whiskers gets up to today. Whiskers is ready to explore the world around him. Are you ready to join him? As the sun rises, Whiskers wakes up full of energy and excitement. He stretches his legs and lets out a big meow. It's time for an adventure. With a flick of his tail, Whiskers heads out the door and into the great outdoors. What wonders will he discover today? Whiskers tiptoes through the garden, sniffing flowers and chasing butterflies. There are so many new smells and sights to explore. Look at Whiskers go! He's having a blast discovering all the treasures hidden in the garden. Suddenly, Whiskers hears a rustling in the bushes. Who could it be? To his surprise, he meets a group of friendly animals, a chirpy bird, a bossy bee, and a bouncy bunny. They invite Whiskers to join in their games, and soon they're all playing together like old friends. After all that playing, Whiskers and his new friends gather for a delicious snack. They share stories and laughs as they munch on tasty treats. What a wonderful day it's been for Whiskers and his new friends. But all good things must come to an end. As the sun sets and the stars twinkle in the sky, Whiskers heads back home, his heart full of joy and his belly full of treats. What an amazing adventure it's been. And there you have it, little adventurers. The tale of Whiskers' great day out. We hope you enjoyed joining Whiskers on his exciting journey.